Once upon a time, in a lush and greenery-filled land, lived a loving pig mama with her 3 playful piglets. One day, Mama Pig felt that her little ones had grown up, and it was time for them to embark on their own adventurous journey. Dear children, you have grown up, and Mama cannot take care of you forever. So, Mama Pig gave each piglet some coins and told them to go far away to build their own houses. Thus, the 3 little pigs decided to leave Mama's cozy home together. In the evening, they rested under a large banyan tree, discussing their future plans. Now that they could prove themselves, why not split up and test their luck? The 3rd little pig, smarter than the others, disagreed with going separate ways. He knew that difficulties might arise, and it was better for the 3 brothers to help each other. Brothers, I disagree with going separate ways. Unity is strength, and we shouldn't scatter our efforts. The other 2 pigs dismissed the 3rd pig's advice, thinking he always spoke in clichés. But the 3rd pig stood firm in his opinion. The next morning, they selected the locations for their houses and went to buy building materials separately. The 1st pig chose straw, the 2nd pig chose wood, and the 3rd pig opted for sturdy bricks. The 1st pig happily bought straw from a farmer and began building his house. The 2nd pig bought wood from a lumberjack, excited to construct his dream home. Meanwhile, the 3rd pig went to a store and purchased bricks and cement for a solid, long-lasting house. Although the first 2 pigs quickly finished their houses, the 3rd pig continued diligently building his robust house, unaffected by his brother's mockery. After a week, the 3rd pig's house was finally complete. Despite the happy lives the brothers enjoyed in their respective houses, a wicked wolf soon discovered them and decided to devour them. The wolf arrived at the 1st pig's house, knocking menacingly on the door. The pig refused to open, and the wolf threatened to blow his house down. As expected, the straw house crumbled with a mere puff. The pig rushed into the 2nd pig's wooden house, and together, they closed the door, resisting the wolf's onslaught. The wolf blew hard, and the wooden house collapsed. The 2 pigs narrowly escaped. In the end, the brothers sought refuge in the 3rd pig's brick house, resiliently withstanding the wolf's attacks. The wolf huffed and puffed, but the brick house stood strong. Finally, the clever 3rd pig lit the fireplace, and the smoke in the chimney made the wolf faint. The 3 pig brothers, united and strong, lived happily ever after. They understood the importance of unity and vowed never to part ways, sharing many wonderful moments together.